In this video, we will look at the class split functionality. If we have a look at this demo trial I've set up, it's basically just a tracking trial that has tracks 1, 2, and 3 set up. And if you have a look at the judges, I've set up 2 judges for each track because that's how many will be able to judge this track for this particular trial. So once the trial is closed, if you go to the catalog dashboard, you'll see an option here for manage class splits. You click on that and it will show you a list of classes that are available to be split in this trial. So we're going to start with track number 1, and it's going to ask us how many classes we're going to split this into. Because we've got 2 separate judges, we're going to split it in 2. So then it brings us to the manage split classes screen. Just before I start, I'm just going to change the judges' names for each of these. It just copies whatever value you've got in there to start with into each of them. So there I've got judge 1 and judge 2, and from there we can go through all the entries for this class and just drag them into whichever judge they're going to be under for this trial. At any point during the split, you can click cancel, and that will delete the 2 new classes and put it back to how it was, or you can click the reset split button, which will just put all the entries back to the original class. If you need to add an extra one for whatever reason, you will need to remove them all and start again. So we're just quickly going to drag some of these entries around, and once you've moved the last one, TopDog will detect that you're finished. If you click finalize, that will remove the original class and leave you with just the 2 that you've split. If you need to go back and make changes to entries, you can move them back and forth as much as you like. And the same is available for the extra classes. Just for demo's sake, if we put in 1 too many, we can just delete the extras, no problem. So we'll cancel this one just to show everything going back to normal. And then once you are done with that, if you generate your draft catalog and you have a look at the preview, you can see that this class has now been split between multiple judges. This is currently enabled for tracking and track and search trials only, but if anybody has a use for this in other disciplines, please get in touch. Thanks for watching.